What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're gonna be actually removing something and reinstalling something, so stay tuned in just a minute and we'll get to that. But how about this weather in Florida? This is gorgeous. I mean, it is 60 degrees right now. I mean, I have a hoodie on only because I was working this morning and it was in the 40s, which is still not as cold as a lot of people up north, but hey, this is Florida. We're used to, you know, 90 degrees, 100 degree weather. Stick around and see what I'm doing to the car today. I hope this little furry thing, the dead cat on my mic, I hope it works good because it is super windy right now. But we're gonna go ahead and replace this windshield banner. If you watched the episode where I put it on, I showed you that there's a couple bubbles right here, there's actually like a really deep gash right here. I don't know how that happened. Maybe when the windshield was being retinted, I don't know. Oh well, it's not a big deal. But gonna go ahead and put the new one on. So let's go ahead and strip this one off and prep the windshield, and I'll go ahead and measure everything out and show you guys. You want to make sure you get any of that adhesion or the sticky residue that's left behind. You want to make sure you get all that out off of the glass. Any dust that's on the glass or bugs and guts and crap, whatever's on your glass, make sure to get it off before you do put the new vinyl on, because otherwise you put the vinyl on over dust or over bird crap or whatever's on your windshield, it's going to show under that vinyl. So you'll always want to make sure you have a clean surface before you do anything. Alright, so I've got the banner pretty much where I want it to sit. It's probably a good, I don't know, 9.5, 10 inches exposed. Probably a good 2.5 inches from the top of the letters to the roof. So gonna go ahead and peel one side off and squeegee it out and hope and pray that there's no bubbles. So cross my fingers. So I think I'm just gonna be done with banners altogether. Look at that. Look at that. It ripped completely. And that's not the only spot either. So you know what happens? Look at that. It just, there's nothing against the company because I like the company and their quality, but this has no quality to it. I mean, it just literally, look at that. I even put it on how they say. First time I didn't do it how they said and came off. You know, it gave me bubbles. So all this little goop you see is just all the residue from the soapy water solution that I used. And now I gotta wipe all that off, clean the windshield again, and not order another one, because I think I'm gonna be done with banners. There's a reason why I didn't like them in the first place, and this just solidified my reasoning as to why I didn't like them. So I'm gonna be done with banners. I'm actually gonna end this video right here, guys, because I'm extremely frustrated beyond compare. I know it's just a windshield banner, but it shouldn't give me any issues. It's vinyl. There's one way to put it on the correct way, and I did it. It's still not it. I didn't expect it to rip, to be honest. I expected one or two little bubbles that I could probably squeegee out, but nope. So that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you were able to get your banner down without any issues, no ripping, no bubbles, awesome. I give you props, because it's not the easiest job to do. But if you didn't, if you weren't able to get it laid down, there's probably a reason as to why. Maybe there was junk on your windshield. Maybe it wasn't cleaned properly. I don't know. Maybe you didn't use the correct method of applying the vinyl sticker. Yeah, like I said, this video is gonna end right here. I apologize if the video is so short. It's been a long day, and yeah. Comment, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.